For electromechanical components, reliability is the core measure of product quality. It is a key focus for both entire machine and complete system customers, and a major challenge in product design and manufacturing. Hongfa is dedicated to building a fair, professional, and comprehensive reliability laboratory. As our product categories expand, we have formed a robust laboratory cluster with strong technical capabilities, supporting the creation of high-reliability products and ensuring the implementation of Hongfa's Quality Wins policy. The Testing Center is the leader of Hongfa's Reliability Laboratory Cluster. As an independent third-party organization within Hongfa, it offers various services to all subsidiaries, including product testing, calibration, analysis, and research, while managing and supporting enterprise laboratories. The President provides impartial support to the Testing Center, ensuring its independence. From its inception, the Testing Center established a laboratory quality management system recognized by authoritative institutions. In China's electronic components field, it's the first UL-CTDP laboratory, the first VDE-TDAP laboratory, and the only laboratory to sign a preferred partner agreement with VDE. With test reports highly recognized by ILAC and trusted by customers, we have introduced state-of-the-art instruments and equipment. We also develop custom automated testing systems, promote informatization and digitization, and continually upgrade testing techniques to tackle challenges posed by diverse testing products, customized standards, and scenario-based conditions. Electrical characteristics, safety performance, environmental adaptability, endurance, protective characteristics. Our comprehensive testing and evaluation capabilities span all stages of the product lifecycle, fully supporting reliability test. Our team of over 150 professionals leads and participates in the formulation and revision of numerous international, national, and industry standards, published multiple high-level papers, received numerous professional and technical awards, significant in scientific research achievements, engaged in over 200 comparative studies with international and domestic laboratories, consistently achieving excellent results. Testing identifies problems, but failure analysis is key to improving reliability. We have established comprehensive processes, methods, measures, and case studies to accurately analyze failure causes in production and usage, guiding improvement directions. With our extensive laboratory capabilities, we carry out reliability improvement projects to enhance product design and drive advancements in product reliability. Hongfa has built strong metrology and calibration capabilities by establishing a comprehensive group metrology management system. We extend our quality foundation throughout the Hongfa industrial chain, consolidating our commitment to excellence. Today, the Testing Center has evolved into a quality and reliability engineering technical service platform, integrating metrology, standards, inspection, testing, certification, analysis, and research. It plays a vital role in product research and development, innovation and evaluation, quality assurance and enhancement, customer service, and market promotion. Hongfa has established 3 core laboratories in key product areas: Additionally, we have 8 enterprise laboratories and application laboratories in Europe and North America to respond quickly to customized needs. Our laboratory cluster spans 5 bases and 11 factory areas to respond quickly to various product needs. Fully supporting the implementation of Hongfa's 7 and 5 Plus strategy. Over the past 20 years, our laboratory has significantly contributed to elevating Hongfa's product quality to a world-class level. In the future, Hongfa will continue to enhance its reliability engineering research capabilities, solidify the international leadership of our relay laboratories, and accelerate the construction of new product category laboratories. We aim to contribute more to the development of national industry and the improvement of made-in-China reliability.